What to expect in law school in the Philippines. From your Kuya attorney EF, CPA lawyer.
If you like this type of content, be sure to follow, share, and subscribe to this channel. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel called Thelawrequisites.
Back to our topic. Here are what to expect in law school.
This article will briefly discuss what to expect in law school in the Philippines so that you can avoid common mistakes during your first year as an undergraduate student studying for your Juris Doctor degree at any law school in the country. Most law schools in the Philippines offer a full-time program, but some also offer part-time programs. These programs typically last 4 years. The length of time that you spend in school depends on your background and experience before entering law school, as well as how much time you want to devote to your studies outside of class hours. Remember that the end goal of law school is to prepare you for the hardest exam in the Philippines, the Philippine Bar exam. So, better mentally prepare yourself so that you will be equipped with the right tools for the actual bar exam in the near future.
First, expectations.
Undergraduate school is very different from law school. Here, your heart will be tested every class meeting. If before, you only listened to your professor's lecture, now, you will be interrogated whether you read your assigned task or not. It is expected from you that once you enter the room, you already know the lesson and that you are telling the professor about it. It is not the responsibility of the professor to teach all the concepts to you. The professor expects that you already know and that his participation is to clear things out, and to summarize the lessons for the day. The professor will test your legal knowledge and will twist the facts to bring out her desired answer from you based on the law. If you are expecting too much from yourself and others at this stage of life, then it's likely that things will go wrong for you in terms of what's expected from you by others as well as how they treat themselves, and how they interact with others.
The first few weeks are crucial.
The first few weeks are crucial. You'll need to get a copy of the course curriculum or syllabus, as well as some background information about your field of study. Better ask for the reference book that the professor is using, and if not available, check in the scrib.com the relevant syllabus for your class. Moreover, it will be a good time for you to invest in books. If you lack funding, then search review materials online. Once again though, don't worry too much about getting everything perfect right off the bat because we know this process can take a while.
Lectures may get overwhelming sometimes.
Lectures are the foundation of the whole law school experience. They're where you'll learn about legal concepts, and it's important to keep up with what's going on in class. Lectures in law schools involve recitation. Recitation can last the whole duration of class, so make sure that you read the assigned reading materials by your professors. In these instances, it will be helpful if you focus first on the substance of the law, then read the annotations in the book to expand your knowledge about the subject matter.
You will have to deal with different personalities in the classroom.
In law school, you will have to deal with different personalities in the classroom. Some students are more outspoken and confident than others. They may also be quiet and reserved while they know their way around a subject but can't talk much or at all if someone asks them questions regarding it. Other people are studious types who will always listen carefully when given instructions by other classmates or professors before taking action on their own accord.
Case readings should be taken seriously.
Case readings are a learning experience. Case readings are meant to be challenging, fun and brain-damaging at times because you lack background about how things work yet, but you will overcome. The case reading is more than just reading a paper or two. It's an opportunity for you as well as your peers to learn something new about the law. You may not agree with all of what they say, but that doesn't mean it isn't worth your time because there will always be room for improvement in any field of study. Case readings aren't meant simply for passing time or getting over some stress from exams, but instead serve as the perfect chance for students who want more than just memorizing facts from textbooks alone, which can sometimes happen during exams.
Majority of law students are working students.
If you're a law student, you know that the majority of your classmates are working students. In fact, it's estimated that 90% of law students in the Philippines are working full-time jobs while studying at university. I myself was a working student. I had to juggle both the hardship of my work and the deliverables of law school. This is because tuition costs so much money and many families cannot afford it. Many people also feel it's important to work while attending area college because they want to earn some money so they can pay for other things such as rent or food on a monthly basis, or even weekly.
Brace yourself for everyday battle physically and emotionally.
Law school is a lot of work. It requires lots of time and energy, patience, focus and discipline. Law students have to be prepared to face the daily battle physically and emotionally. The first few weeks can be especially challenging as you juggle many responsibilities. As with any new environment where you don't know anyone or anything about it yet, there are bound to be moments where you feel isolated or lonely, and sometimes even scared. But remember this: you're in law school because you want to do something that matters, so don't let these feelings get in the way.
Conclusion.
Law school is a challenge and it will be hard to adjust to the new lifestyle. However, you have to keep in mind that law school is not only about studying but also about every other aspect of your life. You need to make sure that you are doing well in all these aspects so that you can get the best results out of your life while pursuing your dream to become a future lawyer. Again, don't forget to love yourself. Your longevity is key because law school is a marathon, not a sprint.
If you like this type of content, be sure to follow this channel. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel called Thelawrequisites PH. Take care always. Don't forget to subscribe.